everybody, it's Taylor here today, and I am stopping by to share with you something that we've been working hard on here at TE. This is our Matchbox Miniatures Kit. So, as you may have guessed, I have totally fallen in love with Matchbox crafts. We've come out with some different items to help you create cute little Matchbox scenes, lots of stamps and dies, and everything in this kit was specially selected and designed to work well inside the size of the Matchbox. Now you can see based on me just holding this that it is a pretty small size, and so we have selected different items that will fit perfectly inside that Matchbox, and we have included them in this Matchbox Miniatures Kit. So what I wanted to do is have a little unboxing video to show you exactly what's included in this kit, and then also talk a little bit more about these samples that I made using the products. So let me just slip these out of the way quick and we will start with the kit. First, it comes in this cute little box with a sticker on it and your bow. It's like Christmas all packed together in a cute little box. So we'll just open that up. Now, I'm gonna save the best for last, so I'm gonna slip these down in the side and start with the stamps. So this is one of the stamps that you'll get. This stamp is actually a part of one of our full-size sets, but we have broken it out of that set so that you can use it in the Matchbox. And you can see the sample that I created here with that specific stamp. Super cute. I just added a cardinal and put some snow on it. So that's the Christmas tree image, and it fits just perfectly inside the Matchbox. Now the next stamp is also from one of our full-size sets. We broke it out of there. The full-size set is called Baby It's Cold Outside. So if you have that one, some of the other images in that set also work really well in the Matchbox. But this is the cute little houses, and I added the tree, the sentiment, some snow here at the bottom. You can see so much detail in that one little scene. So next up we have a little bit of this tinsel ribbon. So this is wired, so you can kind of bend it around or on whatever you would like. And I used that in this sample that I already showed you. I kind of just bent it around and adhered it on the outside of the box. And then I thought you could take it by this loop at the top and hang it as an ornament on the tree. So you get 1 yard of this tinsel, wired tinsel. And then I've talked about the snow that you see on several of the projects. So this is a new product that I was introduced to. It's by no means a new product, but I had never used it before. This is called Snow-Tex. And you can see on this sample here, you can kind of see how it creates that actually more realistic looking snow. And it's also been added to the mini trees to make them look like they have little snow on them. So that's a really cool product, and there's plenty in here to use on your Matchbox projects or on additional card projects. You can see in this particular one too, it's been glittered. So this product comes wet, and you just apply it to whatever die cut or down in the bottom of your box. Apply it with a palette knife or a sponge or something like that. And then while it's still wet, you can add glitter over the top to get that glittered element, or you can leave it just plain like it looks at the top of this sample here. So that's something really fun that's included in this kit, the Snow-Tex. All right, then you've heard me talk about the cute little trees that are in several of my samples. These are the trees. Now you can see in the samples here that I put the Snow-Tex on the trees to make them snowy. Of course, you could just leave them plain. We also have a couple other mini things. We have the jingle bells, which I put inside this cute little shaker matchbox with some peppermints. And then we have the candy canes. I guess I also used the candy canes here on this sample. You could put them inside of the box as well. So you get some miniature candy canes, jingle bells, and trees. And then to decorate your trees or your snowy scenes, we have some of Taylor's Tiny Twinkles. These are something we've had for quite a while, and they are super fun just to add that little bit of bling. Now I would suggest adhering these with some liquid glue and using one of those pickup sticks. We recommend the Embelly Jelly or the Cool Tack pencil to pick those up and set them down really easily where you want them. So you can see I used quite a few of them on this little scene here. And now we have 2 exclusive dies that are only available when you purchase the Matchbox Miniatures Kit. The first one is the word snow. If you can read backwards, then you can see that that says snow. And that is the die that I used here on this matchbox with the word snow. I actually cut it out 3 times and stacked it on top of each other just to give it a little bit more stability, but it is perfect for the different snowy scenes in the matchboxes. And next is the one I am really excited about. It might not look super exciting. It is 4 rectangle windows. However, it is designed to cut exactly into the lid of the matchbox. So you can see when I take the peppermints and the jingle bells out, I have the lid of the box here, and I ran this through my die cut machine with the window over the top and put in some window transparency behind it, and then you can just slip your treat or stamped image or whatever it is right behind it. Now the other cool thing about this particular exclusive die, it's called the Matchbox Window, which you won't be able to find it on the website because it is exclusive to this kit. But this is the other sample that I created. And you can see when I push this out, I gotta push it out from the top because my tinsel's in the way. But the bottom of the box still comes out, so I could put a treat or something in there. And then it was designed to make it possible for the arched window die to fit exactly over the top of the lid of the matchbox. So you can see how that arched window is just adhered over the top after the Matchbox window die was cut into the lid of the box. So this allows you to do some really cool things with the Matchbox, not only for scenes, but also if you want to package up little treats, then you can see things like little M&Ms or whatever you end up packaging up in there. So that is our Matchbox Miniatures Kit. I hope you see something that piques your interest and that makes you want to check out these cute little scenes. You can find everything at tayloredexpressions.com, or you can click on any of the links in the description below the video. So thanks for tuning in today, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.